MoskoUnboxing, take 2. Alright, a little wider angle this time. Take 2, Mosko. Got your nice sticker right here. Mosko. Open her up. Shipping was quick. Boxing looks good. Here she is. I've already taken off the plastic. So here's your little swag, catalog, or something. Another catalog. Your invoice sheet or shipping invoice. And of course your Mosko sticker, suitable for any place really. Here is the Molly bag that I got, which has a port for hydration, nice heavy duty buckles. It's also got a drawstring top right here. It's got a Velcro attachment inside so you can snug down your hydration bladder. There's those Molly points right here, Molly webbing. This handle here, that's your Molly accessory. And here's the sticks that attach it, Molly sticks I guess they're called. This is the internal dry bag. Mosko being from the great Northwest in the Grand Columbia River Valley where it gets wet. Not so sure I'll need that much of it here in Colorado. And here we are with the fabulous Backcountry 30 by Mosko. Very, very substantial, heavy duty, nice buckles here. Also has buckles here and here for the roll top ends. So this end is a roll top. It has another waterproof type bag inside that you can unvelcro here and pull it out. I'm going to do that, but that's a nice heavy duty touch. Rolls back, and again heavy duty buckles all around. The now famous Backcountry beaver tail is right here. These are even bigger buckles right here for the beaver tail, which opens like that. You have a nice mesh bag right here where you can see stuff. Over on this side it has like a mat pocket, Velcro top, also Velcro removable. That's your beaver tail, and here's a couple of straps that run so you could put something long in there like a tent stake bag or thermarest or something like that. And of course it has the pass-throughs for your straps, which is one of the things that appeal to me, so you can use rock straps or other straps to strap the thing down to your bike, which is one of the things I liked. Also had these strap keepers, little Velcro attachments to keep your flaps from, or your straps from flapping in the breeze. Again, heavy duty buckles, heavy duty. Plenty of handles. There's 2 handles here to lift it like this. It's got some aluminum attachment points here for straps or carabiners to hold something. And then the back side has the panel here which hides these backpack straps, which will fit inside of here when they're not needed, but when you're using them, they pop out. It has a nice chest strap here that's adjustable. Nice big buckles here for waist strap and for attaching down here. So you've got your backpack. These straps here also work for the roll top there. It's got roll top on both ends, so you can get at it from both sides when it's on your bike. There's some more strap loops here, and this thing will go either way here because you have straps running here this way and you've got them running this way. So you can put this trolley bag this way or this way. Pete from MoskoMoto's got some good videos on that, as well as how to use this pack and how to strap it on, everything. Good videos. Well done, Pete. Pretty heavy. Not light by any means, but I'm sure it's going to be very durable. 30 liter, I believe, is what the 30 means. So stay tuned for video strapping it on the back of my motorcycle. Ta-ta for now.